Alrighty guys, got a 2018 Honda Ridgeline. We're gonna go ahead and perform the B16 service. B is your standard oil and oil filter change, 1 is tire rotation, and 6 is the rear differential fluid. This is an all-wheel drive model, so the brake-in fluid normally gets changed out at about 15,000 miles there. Once that old fluid is out and we get the new updated fluid in, it's good for typically 30 to 40,000 miles, so you'll see that pop up. I'm going to show you how to reset this maintenance minder. This one's pretty easy. This one is actually done through the main informational display here. Sorry for the glare, try to get a better angle there. So first things first, you're going to hit home. It'll bring you to this screen here. You hit settings, you go to vehicle, you go down, because they always put it at the very bottom, to maintenance information. Click that. It's going to tell you what it is: oil life 5%, B16 service, oil change, tire rotation, all-wheel drive oil or rear differential fluid. You're going to go ahead and hit reset. Would you like to reset maintenance minder B16? Yes, I would. Reset it. And then it's all done. If you go back into maintenance information, it'll tell you oil life is 100%, no more recommendations there. And in the main informational display as well, if you go all the way up here to oil life, it'll say 100%. So you're all set, good to your next oil change. Hope this helps. If you have any questions or any particular models that you'd like me to do, leave it in the comments below. Take care and have a great rest of your day.